Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Kedarnath sketch. To begin, gather your essential drawing materials. You'll need a variety of pencils, from a 2H for light lines to a 6B for darker tones, along with good quality drawing paper and an eraser. Select a clear reference image of the temple to guide your work. Make sure your workspace is well lit and comfortable for an enjoyable sketching experience. Now, let's lay the foundation for your sketch. Start by lightly outlining the basic architectural forms of the Kedarnath temple. Think about simple geometric shapes first. Establish your horizon line and carefully place the temple within your composition, considering its majestic scale against the surrounding landscape. Paying close attention to proportions and perspective at this stage will ensure a strong base for your detailed drawing. With the basic structure in place, it's time to bring the temple to life with details. Start adding the intricate patterns and textures of the stone walls and the distinctive roof. Experiment with different pencil pressures, a lighter touch for subtle textures and a firmer hand for deeper shadows. Focus on capturing the unique architectural elements that make Kedarnath Temple so recognizable, like its specific carvings and multi-tiered design. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your Kedarnath sketch. Refine your shading to give the temple a sense of depth and three-dimensional form, making sure light and shadow play correctly. Consider adding subtle background elements, perhaps the majestic Himalayan peaks or a few clouds, to complete the scene. Take a step back, review your work, and make any final adjustments to perfect your beautiful drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.